Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this nice card animation for your next portfolio. Let's get right into it. Alright, let's start. So first of all, we're going to make a container for all our cards. We'll call that container. Then within that we make 3 cards. So dot item or card container times 3 of them. All right, so let's first of all keep an image in there for each of them. So 1, there's 2, and that's 3. So how this is gonna work is we're gonna have the image behind the card and we're gonna hide the card and show it on scroll. I'll just show you. Alright, so class of item image, then we make another div. This is the card that is hidden and will show over the image. So we're gonna have a title, so p.title. There's going to be a button to view the whatever is on the card, so a.view, and description text, so p.description. Let's just see that first. Huge images. So I don't even know where that is. I'll say Norway, Malibu, and Berlin. So title of Norway. Let me just copy this real quick. Next line. So Norway, Malibu, and Berlin. We'll have some view more text there. Keep it in all 3 of them. And then lorem ipsum, let's say 50, not 50 is too much. 25 words. Alright. Lorem 25. And the last one. Or 25. So now let's get into the CSS. So first of all, we want our container to flex horizontally and space each of the cards apart. If you wanted it to be responsive on mobile, we would just make each of the items take full width and push them onto the next line. But I won't do that in this video. You guys can do that. If you want it, make sure you guys like and comment, and I'll post the responsive version in the comment section. Alright. Container. Give that width 100%. Height of 100%. Display flex, justify content, space between, space around, then line items to center, then card container. We'll set the overflow to hidden, a width of, let's say, 400 pixels, and a height of 600 pixels. Border radius with the nice look, 25 pixels. Next, okay. So this position, we want that to be relative, so we can absolute the image and the card. So what class did I? Item image, I think. Is that the class I gave it? That is the class I gave it, item image. So our item image, we want that to be position absolutely, position absolute, top 0, left 0, and then the width, no, matter of fact, the height should be 100% of the mother, and the width auto. Let's give the container some padding so that looks better. Padding, say that 30 pixels of padding. Oh wow, how does that look? Great already. So then let's make the card show on hover. So let's give these divs a class of hover card. Right. So the hover card, let's first style it normally before we do the hover part. So hover card, let's give this a z index of -1. So this one shows over, and keep an isolation of isolate. So it doesn't affect the rest of the site. So hover card, background image, linear gradient. We want to go from let's first try black to white. Give this a height of 100%, width 100%, position absolute, inset 0. So we want this to go from bottom to top, so 180 degree, 80 degrees. Matter of fact, 0. Alright. That don't look nice. Let us take it to not white, but instead a transparent black. So RGBA, zero, 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 then 0.8. Okay, that's looking better. We just space this out over a longer period, so it gives it a nice smooth gradient. 8, 6, 5, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's see how that looks. Better? Yeah? Alright. We gotta make this Norway card fit completely. So let's add a min width to the item images of 100%. Okay, now to push the information to the bottom of the card, we'll give the hover card a padding of 50%, padding top 50%. Let's add some more, 70%, and a general padding of 10 pixels. Yeah. Color of white. And let's style each of the cards individually. Class of view. We change that to white, no, black background color, white, padding 20 pixels, border radius 20 pixels. We'll make that, remove that underline, so decoration none. One other thing we need to do is add a flex to the hover card so we can space these out correctly. So on a hover card, we'll add a display flex. Flex wrap, we do not want it to wrap. No, we do want it to wrap. And then we'll give widths to these. So width of, say, 30%. Is that too much? It's definitely too much. I'll give this a normal unit instead of an abstract unit. Width of, let's say, 140 pixels. How does that look? Height. We change that height to a fixed height. Let's say 40 pixels. Matter of fact, 60. Okay, then we'll center it by display flex, justify content center, and align item center. Okay. Minimize that pattern a bit to 10 pixels. And let's reduce the height and width a bit. Okay. Then we space these items away from each other. Alright. Okay. Then on that parent container, what else do we need? We need to make the title bigger and bolder. So the title, font size, let's try 25 pixels. Is that big enough? A little more. 30. Alright. And font weight, we'll change that to 500. Let's see. 600. Yeah, 600 is okay. Then this looks fine, doesn't it? Yeah, it looks fine. No need to change the description. So now we just need to transition this from hidden to show on hover. So the hover card, height, change this height to 0, transition it, transition height, so like half second animation, and then the width, yeah, that's fine. We want the animation to start from the bottom, so let's set the bottom. Okay, and overflow hidden. I just still showing. Height 0 with 0. What could be going on? That is all under there. If the overflow is hidden and the height 0, nothing should be shown. It's just the pattern that's causing that. It was indeed. Okay, so we just have to make the description. Let's give it a width of 90%, so it automatically spaces itself. So then we'll say on the card container, when we hover this, we will give the hover card a height of 100%. Let's see how that looks. Lovely. Yep. Looks fine. And then finally, just to add a finishing touch, we would make the last item transparent to give it that nice transition. Yeah, it's nice. The top isn't covered. If you'd like it to be smoother and darker, you can add more black on the way. Matter of fact, a RGB of 0.9 would be better. There's more smooth gradient. So that is how you make this nice card animation that you can use in your portfolio. Make sure you guys like the video. Thanks for watching.